Hello viewers, welcome to Rishraj Classes YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to study one interesting and important concept, that is structural isomers. This is from the chapter Carbon and its Compound of Standard 10th. This concept is important as well as interesting. Okay, so let's start with the structural isomers. So what exactly are these structural isomers? These are the compounds, okay, these are the compounds which have same molecular formula but different structural formula. Molecular formula means what? It tells you that molecule is made up of which elements and how many atoms of each elements are involved to form that molecule. So here the molecular formula is same, but the compounds, they exist in different structure, and these are structural isomers. So let's quickly see two examples of these structural isomers. The simple basic example of structural isomer is butane. It is butane. Butane is alkane, simple hydrocarbon, saturated hydrocarbon of 4 carbon atoms. The molecular formula of this is C4H10. C4H10. So in first case, these carbon atom, they form one simple straight chain. 4 carbon atoms link with each other by single bond, and here hydrogen. Here I will give you one important tip, that whenever you write any compound in which carbon is involved, whenever you write this structure, just check that carbon, it can form 4 bonds. It can form 4 bonds. So here each carbon is forming 4 bonds. This is simple butane, where the 4 carbon atoms are linked in the straight chain. Okay. Now this same butane can exist in different form. So what it is? Here, now the 4th carbon atom, it forms the branch structure. It forms the branch structure. And now let's write this hydrogen. Now here 3 bonds are already formed by this carbon atom. So only one hydrogen will come here. Now here the carbon is forming straight chain, and in this case the carbon is forming branch chain. So molecular formula is same, C4H10, but this butane exists in 2 different structure, butane, isobutane. So these are structural isomers. This is one simple example. If they ask the question that explains structural isomers with the help of example, and if you have the choice of selecting the example, go for this simple best example and explain. That's it. There are no chances of losing the marks when you go for such simple examples. So now let's see one more example of structural isomers. Now second example. Here the molecular formula is C6H12. C6H12. Now how this C6H12 will exist in 2 different forms? Here, if we think of the hydrocarbon series, okay, when simple alkane, alkene and alkyne, if we think of that, this is CnH2n. Okay, so this is nothing but hexene. It's alkene. It's alkene with 6 carbon atoms. So the one compound is hexene. Okay, now hexene means there is one double bond. You can put this double bond anywhere in between these carbon atoms. 6 carbon atoms. Now this carbon atom, already there are 3 bonds here. So only one is remaining. Also for this 3 are done. So 1 is remaining for this 3. Okay, now let's put hydrogen here. This is hexene. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. C6H12. It's hexene. Okay. Now the same molecule, C6H12, it exists in one more structure, and this is quite interesting structure. It's like this. It forms the ring structure. Carbon atom with single bond, it's forming ring. And here if we observe, each carbon atom already it forms 2 bonds. So 2 bonds are still remaining. H, 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 12H. C6H12. And this is nothing but cyclohexane. As there is single bond between the carbon atoms, it's saturated hydrocarbon, so it's hexane. As carbon is forming the ring structure, circle, it's cyclohexane. Molecular formula is same, C6H12. So one is hexene and another one is cyclohexane. So this is all about the structural isomers. The compounds having the same molecular formula but different structural formula. So hope this interesting and important concept of structural isomers is quite clear to you. If you want us to make the video on any other concept, drop your query in our comment box. We will definitely help you from our side. So my dear students, my dear viewers, please do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel to get the updates of such important, helpful and interesting videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.